Oh, which guy goes?
Come on.
You got it. You got it. What is it? Oh, what the hell is it?
Is it a big bass?
Is it?
He's talking.
What is it? What is it?
Come on.
What is it? You see it? Oh my! Holy crap!
Somebody grab it. Somebody grab it.
You need a net.
We need a net.
We need a net. We don't have a net. We don't have a net. We don't have a net. Just try.
I'm trying to tire him out.
Just try to tire him out. Get it?
Pull too hard.
Yeah.
Don't pull.
It's a fight, man. It's a fight.
This is it. This is do or die.
Oh my god.
It was huge, man. I saw it. Let it get tired. Let it get tired. Is it tiring out?
Right into the ice chunks.
It's a catfish. Grab it. Grab it.
Guys,
It's a huge. He's
careful. Not the spine, the belly.
The belly. Grab it.
Man.
Here.
Just scoop it. Just scoop it in there.
Throw it in.
Just scoop it in the thing.
Straight in here.
I'm scared to touch him. Oh, he's helping me out. Oh, thank you.
Wow.
That's a huge catfish.
Hey, we don't have like the chain?
Oh, you mean to throw it in there?
Yeah. Oh, you guys didn't bring
We didn't bring it because we went there with catch anything.
Where's the pliers, Cassidy?
Here. That's a little hook. Oh, yeah, that's the troubleshoot, huh?
Trouble, yeah. Alright, thank you.
It's so, we have a tiny
It's too small.
It's too tiny.
Yes.
Alright. Thanks.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Dude, it's gonna flop.
Push his head in. It fit the whole cooler.
Alright, we're done.
We're set. Yeah. Such a noob.
I'm such a noob, I didn't even touch it.
You didn't want to touch it. You should have grabbed it by its mouth,
It's
right?
because of the spikes on his fins and his back.
But it has no teeth, though, right?
He does have. I should have put. I am a noob. I don't really catch fish that often. I just go fishing.
By the mouth next time, right?
Next time,
By the
next
side.
time I won't noob out.
Yeah. Well, yeah. What you think, man? Big catfish.
That's the biggest one I've ever caught.
That's awesome.
That was a. Yeah, I was like, oh, what's going on?
How far did you cast it?
When we saw its surface.
Hey, Glassy, was that as soon as you